What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome right back to World Wave Radio, where we bring the word to you. So today I'll be showing you how to make a Kanye West type of beat as Afrobeats. But as I take you through this journey, don't try and look at the wrong things. Oh, he's using this gear. Oh, he has the ability to download different samples. Don't look at those things. Look at how you can put these ideas into your own head and create something substantial, something amazing for yourself. With that said, let's get straight into it after the intro. Wire! Kanye West is known for different sounds, but one of his sounds that stands out properly, that has stood out properly over the years, is his ability to flip different samples and marry them into a fresh idea. That is kind of like what we'll be doing today. So yes, the first thing you want to do is to search for a right sample that you can chop or create your own from scratch. I already downloaded the sample. We'll just go through them and see the ones that we can use. It's not bad. It's not bad.
So lift him up, lift him up.
It's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Ain't God good.
Oh yes.
Ain't God good.
Oh yes.
Ain't God
I can already hear.
Ain't God good. Ain't God
Yeah, yes. So
Ain't God.
yes, number one done. We already found our sample. Now is to decide on the type of drums that we want to do, the type of drums that we need to do. So let's create something simple. Now that we have our drums going, let's introduce some more elements before we chop our samples. Let's introduce some more elements. So if you listen to this, it gives you two types of vibe. You can get that Afrobeat and hip hop vibe all in the same sound. Listen to what I mean. You know, almost like steel Dre. Oh, I have a steel Dre amapiano that I'll share with you guys in a bit. Let's put some bass in there. You get, yes, with the bass there right now, let's chop our samples into something that works with the beat, you know. So here's our sample here. You get, so we chop the sample into something that works. Remember our sample from earlier. Let's try it with the street there. With our bass. Yeah, so let's add like a boom bap drums, you know, to give you that West Coast boom boom on an Afrobeat. So see what I mean from the intro. Yes, before you know it, let's introduce more pad into it. Yes, a lot of things. You know, when you hear the drums, you hear things sounding electronically. You know, you hear some things going warm, warm, warm. You know, going from one place to the other. There's a lot of processing that is not in the surface. You know, and yes, I love it. It sounds like this all together. Yeah, so I did all these things, and then to top it all up, Fave came and heard this beat. So this beat is one of those beats that I have in my studio that I'm not looking at playing to anyone. I don't want to play it for anybody because, you know, I just love the beat so much. I just want to have it as one of my beats that nobody is ever going to use. But she came and she loved the beat. We recorded on it, and then yes, we have the Caesar's Vibe today. So today is called Caesar's Vibe. You can listen to the song if you like, but yeah, since then I have the song. I have the that is exactly how I made an Afrobeat Kanye West type of beat that was supposed to be for a tutorial, but yes, and then there's a song that you guys are enjoying today.
To take me now, I'm on my toes like a drug overdose. Joy overflows in my heart.
Yes, if you've not heard the song, please be sure to check it out. Very beautiful song. You'll be able to hear the full mix, the full production, and everything that I added to it. So yes, that is exactly. I hope this video has been able to inspire you to take things that, maybe take an opera from back in the days and create it into something new. Maybe take a choir in your local environment, let them make something for you, or buy a sample like I did here. Buy a sample and just use it to create things for yourself, to create different type of vibe that you can enjoy, So yes, don't limit yourself to things that you have. Don't limit yourself. Don't say, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. Always look for best ways to get your jobs done. Always look for best ways to get things that you do. If this is what you want to do, give it your all, except if this is not what you want to do with your life at the end of the day. But if this is what you want to do with your life, if this is your life, you should give it your all. You should try to make sure that you are getting the best, and you are giving yourself the best, not just the best in terms of what you can do, but in terms of the quality of the sound you use. A lot of my beats, a lot of my productions does not even come down to my knowledge. It's more about how quality the things I use they are, and how over the years I've been able to know what I want and what I don't want. You might not be there right now, you might be there, but I know exactly what I'm looking for when I'm picking a sound. I know exactly what I'm looking for when I'm selecting anything. So yes, I hope I've been able to inspire you, as I said earlier, and to go create some more magic. So yes, get into the studio, create your own magic, and tag me when you do. See you in the next class. Love.